$25 for a full tank. Not too bad. Well, almost full. But I remember the good old days when it used to be like $10 to $12 to fill up a gas tank on a bike. It used to be like $35 to $40 for a car. Now a car is like at least $80. It's insane. It's okay, I can't complain. To me, this is worth it. Filling up a bike for $25 is definitely worth it. I gotta take it slow. The chain is like insanely loose. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. We're going to my boy's shop. Just gotta adjust it. I just don't have the tools and all that for that. But I figured I'll make this a ride and a little bonus video for this week. I usually post around 3 to 4 times a week, but I'll make this just as an extra video, as a reminder to do your maintenance and all that, even though I've been slacking, and also tell you guys pretty much what is going on with all my bikes, the plans for pretty much all of them. Also, what do you guys think about my new gloves? These are the full metal 6s from Dainese. Pretty much the best they make. It's like titanium, Kevlar, like all the yellows Kevlar. It's Kevlar lined on the inside, carbon fiber on the fingers. I was thinking about it. I was like, you guys remember my first accident on the full carbon V4R? Whoa, it was not a V4, it was a V4S. Yeah, the full carbon V4S. I broke my thumb on this hand. Are we gonna go? Nope. Okay. So yeah, I broke this thumb. I still can't bend it all the way like this one. And I saw these and I was like, look, they have like carbon fiber protectors. I was like, maybe if I had these, I would have saved my thumb. So I was like, no. It's a good investment because I personally believe in, yeah, I don't wear full gear like often. I'm getting better, you know, when it's not too hot. I'm like, why not? Instead of wearing a hoodie, just wear my leathers. But in the meantime, I do believe in obviously like a helmet, gloves, and riding boots. These are the Alpine Stars, by the way. I think they're cool. Gotta break them in. This is my first ride. They actually weirdly fit a little loose in certain areas, which is very weird because I got the exact same size. And like my other gloves, like I wore my gloves that I usually wear, the white and blacks that you guys have seen before, and those felt tighter than these, even though those ones were like broken and these are like brand new. So I'm a little, you know, it's a little weird. I think it's because of the material, because this is like different material. It's like goat skin or something like that. So it could be like a different feel because of that. That was very off topic, but let's get back to the main topic. The main topic is that I want to tell you guys, update you pretty much what's going on with my bikes. So this bike, as you guys know, has the starting issue, which is very normal. That's not what I meant to say. It's very, it's not like that bad, you know what I mean? Like the bike is still rideable. The bike still like starts. You just have to try a few times or give it a little bit of gas, and it's usually good. But the chain, I don't know, all of a sudden after like the last ride, it was like weirdly loose, you know what I mean? And like out of nowhere from one ride. So we're just going to check like the front sprocket, the rear sprocket. The bike only has 1,000 miles. I haven't done any like clutch ups or anything like that on the bike, so it should be good. But you know, we're just like confused of why that happened in literally one ride. So we're gonna go check it out, check the sprockets just in case, and fix that. The starting issue, it definitely got a little bit better than before. It used to be like really annoying and kind of like happens almost all the time. Now it like happens every now and then. Still, we're not sure. Like I've asked so many people, we're not sure what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna take it back to the shop and just get it looked at, and as well as buy radiator guards for this bike, because just, I don't know, random stories. I did buy radiator guards. I always tell you guys to buy radiator guards for your bikes, because you know it's like about $150 to $200 for radiator guards, and it could potentially save your radiator. Like I've seen a lot of issues where, like, you know, a rock gets kicked and hits through your radiator, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Your radiator is destroyed, and there goes like about, I don't know, like definitely more than $500 to $1,000 depending on like what bike you're riding and what damage is caused. So always recommend radiator guards. Well, almost stalled it because I cannot find neutral. There you go. The story behind that is that I did buy radiator guards, and I contacted the company. I was like, hey, it's been like 2 months, where are my radiator guards? And they're like, oh, it was delivered. I was like, where? And they sent me like an address, and it was literally in some random country that I've never heard of. And I'm like, yeah, I don't live there, so what's up with that? And they're like, okay, no worries, we'll send you a new one. 2 other months passed by and they didn't send me anything, so I was like, well, I'm just gonna, you know, submit a return. So I returned those. Well, didn't return them, but like canceled it technically, and just gonna go buy them at the store and get them installed at the same time. Believe it or not, I bought these radiator guards like right when I bought everything for this bike. Like, I even received the exhaust before receiving those, which is insane because, you know, there's a shortage in titanium and parts and all that. That's why my exhaust for the M1000RR has been delayed for a while. But yeah, talking about the M1000RR, the plan is to fix it. That bike is gonna be very expensive to fix. Not very excited for it. I'm excited that I decided to fix it and then that the bike is staying, because honestly I do miss riding that bike. But the problem is that I do not like, you know, that's a lot. It's a full build pretty much, you know what I mean? Like, so what I decided to do is pretty much both option A and B, which option A was to pretty much keep the bike as OEM as it is and just kind of like replace a few parts that I was planning on upgrading, and that's it. Option B was a full carbon build. Option C was pretty much to get rid of it and get like another, like a Honda Fireblade RRR, which in the future I hope I end up getting to, because that is, you know, my plan. But besides that, I decided to do both option A and B pretty much. Similar to the V4R, where I'm doing like a lot of carbon fiber, but not full carbon fiber. I saw, as I said, I saw like a full black M1000RR with the stickers, and it didn't look like an M1000. So I'm keeping the front face, I'm doing like carbon details, keeping the main white pieces, the tank and the side white, the whole tail, the whole like belly, all that stuff is going to be carbon fiber. So that's the update on the M1000RR. As I said, not too excited about that, but I don't want to hit my helmet or the Ferrari. Oh, slippery. Oh, this bike is loud. So yeah, that's the update on the M1000RR. The V4R still needs an oil change, oil flush, change the reservoirs because it's a hydraulic clutch and it's really dark, so I need to change that fluid really badly. And the triple clamp, which is a whole mission because you need a special part for the ring nut and nobody can get it, so that's a whole process too, and need to get that done ASAP. Afternoon, I think. Yeah, so that was the plan for the V4R, and the plan for the H2 is, as you guys know, my clutch is all messed up and I need a new clutch. But what?
It's purple. It's nice.
Oh yeah, the exhaust is changing colors. I've noticed. Look at the titanium. I know. It needs a few, like, you know, revs, or maybe a lot of revs, and that pipe will look nice. I actually like it like this, just a little bit. Yeah, so the plan for the issue is that I'm waiting because I don't want to just replace with the OEM clutch. I want to upgrade the clutch. There's like apparently Kevlar clutches and stuff like that, and it will, you know, give me more lifetime and better performance out of the clutch. So that is the plan for that bike. And am I missing a bike? I think that's all of them. Oh, the R1M needs spark plugs. Should we do it here? Huh? Spark plugs for the R1M?
Yeah.
All right. I'll probably order them online, I guess.
Yep, order online or
when I go, I'll just bring the bike here and we'll get those done. Look.
Ooh. Hold on. Ooh.
Yeah. Titanium.
Nice.
They fit a little weird. We're the same size, right? You're a medium too?
No, I'm small. small.
Oh, you're a small? Because mine is a medium. My old ones that I've worn a lot fit tighter than these. I'm thinking it's the material.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. The goat skin and the Kevlar and all that.
This is gonna be a little bigger for you.
I know, it's kind of annoying, but I'm like, I don't want to like return them and deal with all that.
That's fine. I want to buy black ones because of my jacket now.
Mm-hmm.
But man, I don't want to go through all that breaking process again.
These are like, because they're like a little bit bigger, it feels like the same. You know, I just wore them, and as soon as I like grabbed,
It felt nice.
Yeah. Here.
A little bigger, and once it
try this.
Let's see, I do it every time. No way, these are way bigger.
Right? They're like longer.
Yeah, they're way longer.
It's weird. It's the exact same size. They're longer, but like here, there's a gap. Like when you press here, it feels good. This is my thought process. I'm like, all the yellow Kevlar is probably gonna get dirty and turn black at some point, and then those will look sick. But even right now, like it's not that noticeable that it's yellow. So I'm like,
or the off-white so you match the yellow.
I swear it wasn't planned. I swear to God, it wasn't planned. I was wearing them from the start of the day, and then I received them, and I was like, ah, bet. Let me show you guys the chain. Bruh, look at that. Thing is like slacking. So yeah, we are gonna adjust that, and that's pretty much it. It's a very, like, there's nothing today for me to film. I just wanted to update you guys about, you know, the plans for all my bikes and what's going on with them. Each bike literally has a minor issue. In the case of the H2s, I wouldn't call it a major issue. It's just, you know, I have to, clutches wear out and you have to replace them. But in the case of the M1000, it's a very, very big issue. I will talk more about that bike and, like, you know, maybe the price and what I'm doing to it. But yeah, as I said, like, I'm doing pretty much almost everything carbon fiber besides the tank. I'm even debating doing the tank in carbon fiber. The only problem is that the M stickers on the white M1000 look really nice, and on the black they won't show as much. So I might keep this, but I'm getting like this entire tail section, all of it, like the subframe, even like a bunch of like details and stuff all around. Titanium bolts, like there's a lot. Even the windscreen is like half carbon, just like the R1M. But I am keeping like kind of like the white face, kind of like this piece, the sides, and the tank. Those are the only three that are staying kind of white OEM, just to keep that M1000 look. But yeah, a lot of the parts, obviously, as you guys know, are on back order, just because, you know, A, it's a rare bike, B, everything's on back order regardless. So either way, I do have, as I said, a full exhaust system coming for that bike. Still waiting on it. Should be here within a month, but I'm not in a rush anymore since I need a lot more parts anyways. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. If you like, I think it like has like little effects now and stuff like that. It's cool. Check it out. Like the video. But yeah, thanks so much for supporting. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Ride safe. I hope you enjoyed the bonus video too. Bye.